All right, let's face it, affiliate marketing can be confusing and also frustrating if you're trying to jump online and learn how to make money from affiliate marketing. There's a lot of obstacles in your way. You have to decide on your niche. You have to decide what product or program to promote in that niche. You have to find the tools to be able to help you promote. So we're talking about autoresponders, how to set up the autoresponder, how to create emails. All of a sudden now you have to learn how to copyright. So there are a lot of obstacles that are in your way. I know I felt the same way. I wish I had found the internet income system when I was brand new online, because I think it is the #1 program to help you as an affiliate marketer if you're new or maybe intermediate and you're frustrated, or if you're a pro marketer, you're really good at what you're doing. You're going to find this system as a system to be able to where you can help other people that are beginners or intermediates that are frustrated, to where all they need to do is get in the system. They don't have to worry about capture pages. You don't have to worry about writing emails. You don't have to worry about programs or products, and you don't have to worry about what's called the shiny object syndrome. When you get into affiliate marketing, you're concentrated on a program or a product, and then all of a sudden you're getting emails for a brand new shiny object, and you're jumping from program to program. Well, inside the internet income system, they solve that for you, because they're gonna basically have a bunch of different income streams that you can sign up for and earn from while the emails are being sent out on your behalf from the system. So again, no capture page, it's in the system. No emails, they'll email for you, and the products and programs are already in the system, and it's all done by invisible selling, which is value-based marketing, is what you want to do as a new marketer online. So what I want to do is I want to walk you through the internet income system and kind of show you how that's going to help you get out of the gates really fast, and where you need to go and how to get started. So right now we're on the dashboard. As you see, there's a real simple affiliate setup. And one note, that it's not going to cost you anything initially to be an affiliate. You can promote the internet income system. So if you're on a limited budget and you want to get started, you want to start earning some money, you don't have to worry about extra costs for the system itself. You don't have to buy the products in order to earn a commission from the products. In our industry, there is a pay to play in most programs, where in order for you to become an affiliate of that program, you actually have to buy it yourself in order to earn the commissions. Well, the internet income system took that away so that you can sign up as a beginner and you can start making money right away. Once you promote the system, you learn, you start providing value in the marketplace, which you'll learn inside the system on how simple that is. So you can set up your profile. The next thing, what I would do, I would encourage you, if you're a new marketer, is come into, not this, sorry, I want this, this is all the affiliate tools, I'll get back to that. Come into the free courses and learn something, start learning. So all these trainings are free for you. So, let's talk about how you're going to market. So what you want to do is learn something and then implement it, and then you can teach that. So basically you can watch like Meta Marketing Masterclass about Facebook marketing, learn some principles behind that, implement it for yourself, and then go ahead and share that. So that becomes value-based content where you can lead people back into the internet income system. So let's talk about how it solves a few of the problems. So for your capture pages, you don't need a capture page. All you need to do is come over to two different places. You can utilize the video funnels, which are right here, which I just started using. I haven't used them a whole lot. Where you can come over here, you can create a video funnel, you can use the template, you can you can also start from scratch if you're a little more advanced marketer. You can choose where you want it to go. So these funnels will take your visitor into one of the academies. So basically it's going to be specific for wherever you're marketing. You can go directly to the academies, or you can go right to the registration page if you want it to be more generic and just bring people right into the system through the registration page. So you have that. Then you also have, let me cancel this out, you also have what are called super links. Again, you don't have to worry about finding an autoresponder, creating your capture pages, which can be really confusing. At some point, you want to learn how to do that, but initially, as a new marketer online, I wouldn't worry about that, because you're gonna basically get in. You're going to take a lot more time than you're probably expecting to take, and you're going to start spending more money. Maybe you have the money, maybe you don't. But a lot of new marketers are looking to jump online to make money online, because of the fact they want to make more money, and a lot of times they're already strapped. So don't worry about buying that autoresponder. Don't worry about buying a product in order to promote the product, because that's all within the system. So again, you can start for free. There is an upgrade, which I think is something that at some point everybody should do. The value is huge in order to earn multiple streams of income. This month of February, we're the 9th right now, Super Bowl Sunday, go Eagles, go Birds. Where for the full month of February, you can actually basically use what's called the pro level for free, and you can test it out, where you're going to be able to swap out your affiliate links, which I'll show you in a moment, of all the different affiliate programs, which again solves another problem of the shiny object syndrome, where you're a marketer online, you get online and you start promoting a program or a product, and all of a sudden you get a new email from a marketer, and then now you're looking at that program, product, tool, resource, whatever it is, and now all of a sudden your focus is on that, and and then you're spending more money on that tool and resource is usually how it works. So capture pages, you can use the video funnels, or you can use these plug and play affiliate links. And again, these go directly to the different academies. So again, we're using a visible selling, which means that you're promoting value. So basically, you're finding somebody with a problem. Maybe they don't know how to market, and maybe they're interested in paid traffic, learning how to properly utilize paid traffic in order to promote whatever product or program that they're in. You can go ahead and send them this paid traffic academy. Let me go ahead and build it out for you. Click on the link, show you how easy it is. Decide which source you're using. I'm going to say YouTube because I like to use a YouTube. Build link, capture the link, click OK, come over to a new page, paste, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is a page. Again, they just took out the hard part of building capture pages by giving you a plug and play capture page that you can utilize for yourself, that'll basically bring somebody in the system, and then once the person is in the system, now the system's going to email them. Now, it's not going to email them different programs or products to try to earn money for Jeff and Chris, who are basically the instrumental in creating the internet income system. It's going to bring people back inside the system. So, if they decide to upgrade, if they decide to buy anything within the system, they're going to be hard coded to you forever. What that means is they set up their account, the system's always going to recognize them from their email address, and if they buy anything in the system, you're going to start benefiting from that. And also too, if they start inviting people for free into the system, if any of their people that buy something within the system, you have an opportunity to earn override commissions on that as well, and the system explains that. So you have all these links. So that takes away the capture page issue and spending money on an autoresponder, which you don't need to do right now. Also takes away you having to become a copywriter and learn how to write. Maybe go over, use AI and create your emails, create your campaigns, create your automations. There's a lot to it, which I recommend you do at some point. But don't worry about it as a beginner marketer. Get into this system, set up the account. Again, initially doesn't cost you anything. Go to the free courses, start learning, and then start sharing what you're learning. You're becoming an expert in other people's eyes who don't know anything about website design or Facebook marketing or faceless content or paid traffic. You learn, take some of those gold nuggets, and then just teach people. Maybe it's a post on Facebook, a YouTube video like this, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it may be. You'll be able to utilize the value here, bring people back in the system, and the system's going to go to work for you. So this is pretty much the backbone of the system, is the free courses and the ability to set up income streams. So here is the different income streams you'd be able to set up. And again, for the month of February, you're able to swap out these affiliate links. So it's real easy to go and set up the affiliate links, and the system will teach you how to do that. And then you come in and you swap out your affiliate link. As you see, I've swapped out all my affiliate links. They're going to continue to add more as we go forward. And then, if somebody comes in, watches a free course, and the free course talks about go high level, they click through the course, and you're going to earn money from high level because you swapped out your affiliate link. So that's the way to make the multiple income streams. So how do you get started? Simply click on the link below this video, and you'll go ahead and be taken to a page like this. Fill out your information and create your account. And once you're inside, you're going to go to the dashboard and follow along the onboarding steps. Watch the video, follow along the steps. And then the next thing I'd recommend is go over into the free courses and start learning and start becoming better. And then you'll understand that you're going to have plenty of content to put out on the internet. It doesn't matter where you're marketing: Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever it may be, and start putting content out there to bring people back into the system with that. And then you can go ahead, again, the month of February, you can start swapping out your links to the income streams. Instead of edit, you'll see the ability to swap it out. And again, these are the different multiple streams of income. So when somebody watches one of the free courses, let's just say they watch the Go level, like I said earlier, you go here, your visitor is going to come in, and they can watch the video, and if they decide to get high level, when that person clicks on the learn more from high level, now your affiliate link is going to be connected to high level, and you didn't do anything. The system taught them how to utilize high level. They're like, oh, I need high level. They go here, they buy, and then you earn money from the system. And that's just one of many different affiliate streams that you can earn within the system. Again, not creating a capture page, not writing emails, not doing all that stuff that can be frustrating, so that you can get out of the gate quickly and start earning money within the system. Again, a disclaimer here: you do nothing, you're going to get nothing. However, I think this system makes it much easier than any other system out there for you as a beginner marketer, even an intermediate marketer who may be a little frustrated with how things are going online, to start earning money. So with that being said, click on that link below, go to the capture page, fill out your information, set up your account. And once you're inside, I think you're going to be really impressed on the system, what Jeff Long has created and what Chris Reckert has done with trainings within the system. It's a phenomenal system, and it continues to get better every single day. If you ever watched any of my other videos, you'll see the back office has changed a bit. They basically, have kind of been in like beta mode, where testing it out, getting feedback from everybody in the system, constantly tweaking and making it better. So thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Click on that link, get started, and I will see you on the inside.